God you invited me to this.
I've not seen this before.
No more. My dear, the professor is too much. Oh my goodness. Do you know how much she spent just to open a studio? A studio! Not only that, she gave us gifts. Everyone that attended went home with gifts. She even snapped us free pictures.
Hey! God, oh!
My dear.
I was there. I would have missed this party. Do you know how much this costs in the market?
My sister, tell me again. Tell me again.
I would have bought magic.
My dear, thank God I attended. I will carry it on my head. Let everybody know that I went to a studio opening.
If not God's grace, so.
Are you coming or not?
I'm coming, dear.
My friend. I wonder where that little girl got that kind of money she spends today.
Wait, did you enter the studio?
Yes, I did.
You did?
The studio is so beautiful.
Hey. In fact, she tried. Our people will patronize her very well.
Yes.
Very, very well.
As far as I'm concerned, she's the best photographer in this village.
I don't say that again. Can that, your brother, Paulinus, can he do all those things she did? Can he? You are laughing.
Which Paulinus are you referring to?
Your brother, of course.
Paulinus. That Paulinus, all he knows how to do is to extort money from our people.
Hey!
And come to think of it,
criminal.
All he will deliver to you is bad job. And if you decide to make trouble about it, he will get his friends, the police, and get you arrested.
His era has come to an end.
You think so?
Bagam!
You think so?
Yes.
Well, I don't want to mix words with you.
All thanks to Professor. She tried. Do you know how much they are selling this drink? Do you know she gave almost how many of us?
This is the best drink I've received over here. Yes, in recent time.
See, this
I should be asking you that. Please, do not touch me, okay?
What are you talking about? See, I hope you're not trying to deny me of my rights to your body.
Go and rinse your distress and please.
See, I think I've got quiet enough. Right? I'm tired of this, your denials every now and then. I will let Father know about this. Right?
Fine. That's of you. That shows how mature you are. You think I don't know? You think I don't know that he is supporting you? I should be the one to say it and not you.
Oh, baby, come on. If I've done anything to you, I'm really sorry, but right now, I'm in heat.
How is that my business? Get your hands off me! Don't touch me again.
Fine. No problem. Suit yourself.
Yes, there is no problem. Go and report me to your father. If you cannot do it, you are not a man!
It is okay. It's fine, alright?
Rubbish. Fine.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
Welcome, sirs.
Yeah, good morning. Is
this Professor David's compound?
Yes.
I am Inspector John. We are from the State CID. Please, I'm looking for one Miss Echezona, aka the Professor. This a compound?
Yes, sir. She's my sister, but she's not at home at the moment. She has gone to her studio. My sister is a very busy person. Sir, please, any problem? What did my sister do? Mama!
Welcome.
Welcome.
Wando,
Mama.
why are they looking for your sister?
Mama, I don't know.
Please lead us to her.
She is not going anywhere with you.
Madam, please, we don't have time to spend here.
She is not going anywhere with you.
Officer, arrest them.
Move!
It's okay. Sorry. Let me take you to the studio.
Move. Please, be fast.
What did she do?
Be fast with it. Let's leave here now.
Hi. Echezona. What is happening?
She fears nothing. She fears nothing. Ooh.
Who are these people? Eh?
Where is she?
So you are the policemen that assaulted molested my sister and my mother.
Oh, thank God you found her here.
So you are the one?
The one that did what? Why did you molest my sister and my mother?
Nobody molested me.
So what did you do to them? No, I want to know. What? Can I see your arrest warrant?
Please, that is not why we are here.
Why are you here? I'm asking you, why are you here? When you take a good look at me, you will know I am not the type of lady you will just intimidate. I know the law. What did I do wrong?
Professor, please come on.
No, I will not calm down. No, I will not calm down. See, let me tell you what I will not take in my life. You see intimidation. I cannot take it. What did my mother do?
Come here for quarrels. Came here for peace, please.
Peace, you and who? Me and you, peace. I want to know, what did they do wrong? What did my mother do wrong? Is she into human trafficking? Are they kidnappers? Are they selling human parts? Are they thieves? I want to understand, where is your search and arrest warrant? You do not have any. Who sent you to my house? You think you can intimidate me? You do that to people who do not know the law.
Professor,
not me.
calm
I am
down,
a good civilian, and I demand to know why both of you molested my mother and my sister.
Nobody
You know what?
molested
You don't want
anybody.
to talk, right? I know what I'm going to do. I will sue both of you. You will hear from my lawyer, and I will make sure you pay through your anus. You will rot in jail. You go bankrupt. Let me even get evidence. Proof of the obio. Rubbish people. You don't want to arrest again.
Where are you going to?
I better stop asking me what happened. So you don't know what happened. Eh? Why did you admit that we molested the family?
How? When did I do that?
It all started now when you were telling her, please calm down, like as if we were begging her.
But I never admitted to anything now.
May we leave here. Let's go.
Why do we have to leave? Go to where?
Did you not see her? She brought her phone. Do you know who she wants to call? Whether it's the IG, I be the Commissioner of Police. But anyway, I get planned. Do you know what? I was there when the man came to report the case. So probably if we go to DPO, we'll tell the DPO that the professor resisted arrest.
But that's not what happened now. That's not what happened now.
So you still want to go back there? Okay, go back to her now. Go see work now. You sabi work. Whatever you see, you carry on.
That's not what you do for you.
Wando, did you see them?
Sister, I did not see any of them.
I told you. My instincts were right. Immediately I saw them, something told me it was an illegal arrest. Because I'm not having issues with anybody. I've not offended anybody. And when I used my trick on them, they disappeared. Sister, do you know you were so right? Why am I called professor? You think because I take pictures? My intellectual capacities is second to none. I'm too smart, too wise. Do you understand?
Yes, sister. This is so unbelievable. So they came to threaten my own sister. My professor sister. Sister,
They don't know.
You are a professor in everything.
I am the professor. Nobody can overshadow me.
Of course.
I don't know who is sending them, but the person should just pray, let me not catch him or her. Wow. Let's go inside the studio.
This is so unbelievable.
Are you serious?
They think I'm some sort of cheap photographer or unexperienced.
I know. This is so ridiculous, I must say. I mean, they're not genuine after all.
You don't have to bother yourself, my prince. Very soon, hot breeze will blow in this village and the fowl's anus will be open.
Anita, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you that question. So you left me at home just to be with this church rat?
You must be very stupid to refer to me as a church rat. Are you mad? Is there something wrong with us?
I should be asking you that. Do not dare me.
And who are you again? No, remind me, who are you? If I dare you, what will happen? You're fighting because you see the prince and I are having a mere harmless conversation. If you dare me, I will snatch him from you and you will not come an inch close to him again. Do not try me. Are you mad? Go back so that your mother will give you proper home training. My prince, excuse me. Ow.
Anita, you disgust me.
I am ashamed of you. So you're standing here watching that idiot, that animal, to insult me without saying anything.
You know what? You have no iota of respect for me. That is why you're doing all these things that you're doing. And I will not stand here and allow you to disrespect me like that. No, I will not take that. Alright? I am done with this. I am done with this. No, I am done. Really done.
Do not walk out on me. Please do not walk out on me. Come here, wait. Open this door. Open this door. You're not going anywhere. Open this door. You're not going anywhere. No problem. Because of that animal, that idiot! Okay.
Father, the truth is that I cannot marry a woman who has no respect for me. A woman who has no single regard for others. Yes, I have condoned her excesses enough, but I do not see marriage happening between us. I don't.
My son, you have to calm down. No one is perfect in this life. We all have our shortcomings.
Oh, Father. This is not about having shortcomings or imperfection. Marriage cannot happen between us. She's not my kind of woman.
But have you forgotten how close her father and I were when he was alive? And I gave him my word that you will marry his daughter.
Well, Father, I wanted to do that out of the respect I have for you, but not anymore.
Don't worry, I will talk to her tomorrow.
But I need to understand this is my stand.
I will talk to her tomorrow.
This is less than 1 month now. No work. Even the ones that I've done in the past, the owners refuse to come and pay up the balance and take their work. Hunger will catch up with me if this continues. Everywhere you go to in this village now, it is professor, 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 professor. Paulinus, you need to come up with solution, else hunger will deal with you in this village. Paulinus, come up with solution. I know what to do. I know what to do.
I know how much you hate me. I know how much you hate me. I know the favor your father enjoyed when my father was alive. But today you have the guts to treat me like a trash. All because of that idiot, that usurant, that stupid girl. But it's fine. I am going to settle my score with her. No problem. I know you hate me. I know you hate me, but it's okay.
going. I am leaving your house. I am leaving here. I am leaving.
Paulinus, is everything all right? You called me here and you've not said anything.
Udoka, I have an assignment for you.
Assignment?
Yes.
How?
I want you to help share my own flyers.
Flyers? For what?
For my studio. Why are you laughing at me?
Sorry. I will help you. You are my friend now. I will help you.
Good. I want you to help mobilize some boys from this village. Tell them that the professor is about to open a new studio so that they will afford to help you. Do not let them know that I'm the one sending you. And tell them that the first 3 youths that will attend the opening ceremony will gain instant employment on that day.
Paule, how did you come up with this?
She's the professor, right? I am the professor's professor.
I'm fainting, oh, Paule, I'm fainting. Hey, Paulinus, professor's professor.
You can say that again.
What if she hears it?
I will settle that when the time comes.
Paule.
Udoka, you are owing me 1,000 naira, right? Go to that woman selling beer in front. Get 2 green bottles.
Paule.
One for me and one for you.
Paule, it's 1,000 that I'm owing you now. Beer is 800 naira each.
Do you know that the money you are owing me is over 3 months? That's the interest. Use the money, the remaining 600 and add.
Paule.
That's the interest.
Paule.
I want to see you moving now.
Anita, you made a very big mistake. Like, you shouldn't have left the house like that. So, what about the prince? Do you think he will come looking for you?
Sandy, I was so upset with myself. Why is he treating me like this? I love him, but he loves another.
Leaving his house is not the best option, Anita. Remember, you are fighting for your right, ba? You need to be with him to handle that girl. Be with him. So, what about his dad? Is he aware that you left his house?
No, I did not tell him.
Why, Anita? See, baby girl, I will advise you to go back to him. Be with him so that you will think on how to handle that stupid professor. What is my breath?
Greetings.
My son.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
You're welcome, my
Thank
daughter.
you.
How is your mother?
Fine, Your Majesty. She sent her regards.
Father, let her freshen up first. She had a long journey.
It's okay. It's okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
I love this.
I'm glad you do. My king, permit me to take my leave.
May the gods of our land bless your business.
Igwe, it is a profession or a career, not a business. My king.
All the same, you will prosper.
Amen. You say?
You are welcome once more. Please go inside and freshen up.
Thank you. Who is that lady with your father?
Ah, she's just a friend.
A friend? Just a friend?
Yes, just a friend.
Just a friend, how?
Anita, you just came in. Please, just go inside and freshen up, right?
I will not go inside until you tell me who that lady is, because I know you have been sleeping around with all those village girls.
Anita, will you stop that? Withdraw such statement right now. Withdraw it.
I will not until you tell me who that girl is. It's you or your father.
Anita, how do you see me? A street dog? Is that how you see me? A man that walks out there sleeping with every villager that he finds.
Prince Udonaya. I want to know who Dikeh is. Or I take my thing and leave this place!
Then suit yourself. Just say, for God's sake, I will not stand here and receive such insults from you. Don't do that! Excuse me.
Ow! You're leaving! No, you're leaving me here! What's the meaning of this nonsense? Oh my God! I know you hate me. I know you hate me! Yes, you hate me! I am leaving for good! What is she doing here?
Greetings.
Who are you? What are you doing here? And I ask again, who are you?
I said I'm here to see the king. Well, if you must know my name is Echezona, the professor. The best photographer in the whole West Africa. The records are there. So, I'm here to see the king.
I demand to know who are you to this family and to the prince.
You must be very stupid to ask me such question. What gave you the temerity, the impetus to ask me such? Who are you again, if I may ask?
Thank you for asking. I am Anita, Princess Fiance. So I demand to know who you are to my man.
You sound very pathetic. So if somebody asks you of your profile, you will tell the person, Princess Fiance. Princess Fiance. So you sleep a man for a living. That's what you do for a living, right? Well, you have to respect yourself. If you don't, I will be left with no other option than to throw you out of this palace.
You're mad. I can see that you're out of your senses. How dare you challenge me? I will skin you alive. Now get out. Get!
Yes, ma'am.
Take this bunch of idiots out of my sight.
Please, I can't do it, ma'am. I don't want to do it again.
What? How dare you say no to my order? You are fired. Get ready to leave as soon as the king is back.
You should be the one to pack your bag. Yes, he's not going anywhere. You're just a mere girlfriend or probably acquaintance. You do not have the right to hire or fire any servant in this household. Do not allow me to throw you outside where you belong. That's not possible. Who are you again? Let me remind you that you do not have the right to hire or fire any steward in this palace. If there's anyone to pack his or her bag, it should be you. Miss Tanduka, I'm at the palace. Okay, I should be coming back. Alright.
Look at her. I know you're one of his mistresses, but I will so deal with you if you try this nonsense again. Stupid animal. Nonsense.
Son?
Father.
Just take a look like this.
Hey,
You did a nice job.
this is so beautiful.
I'm telling you.
Has she gone?
Yes. Do you know what? She did not collect any money. She did not take a dime from me.
That is so thoughtful of her.
She said they are all gift to us. Honestly.
She needs to be commended. This is good.
Yes. She's a good woman. She is.
Look at me. This is just me. Complete.
Don't like father, like son. Just take a look. See it. Look at your daddy's son.
Hi. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Anita, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you that question. So you left me at home just to be with this church rat?
You must be very stupid to refer to me as a church rat. Are you mad? Is there something wrong with us?
I should be asking you that. Do not dare me.
And who are you again? No, remind me, who are you? If I dare you, what will happen? You're fighting because you see the prince and I are having a mere harmless conversation. If you dare me, I will snatch him from you and you will not come an inch close to him again. Do not try me. Are you mad? Go back so that your mother will give you proper home training. My prince, excuse me. Ow.
Anita, you disgust me.
I am ashamed of you. So you're standing here watching that idiot, that animal, to insult me without saying anything.
You know what? You have no iota of respect for me. That is why you're doing all these things that you're doing. And I will not stand here and allow you to disrespect me like that. No, I will not take that. Alright? I am done with this. I am done with this. No, I am done. Really done.
Do not walk out on me. Please do not walk out on me. Come here, wait. Open this door. Open this door. You're not going anywhere. Open this door. You're not going anywhere. No problem. Because of that animal, that idiot. Okay. You have to think twice, Anita. I think you're right.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
Greetings, beautiful young ladies.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. See, I bring you good news from the professor.
What's the news?
The professor is opening a new studio. See, you are cordially invited. Professor is opening a brand new studio. She calls it Studio 2.
Amazing.
Please be there. We'll be expecting you.
Thank you.
Wow.
The professor is at it again. I can tell you. I'm sure by the time I'm done learning this work, she's going to employ me in one of her studios.
Amaka, I want to apply too. Please, let me go with you.
I don't understand. Apply for what? I beg. If na play, stop am. You want put sansa for my Gary?
Amaka, I'm sure you've not seen this. Take a look at this.
This thing is working, oh. This Paulinus is a bad man. Hey, but I'm still wondering, if professor gets to hear about this, what will happen? But I fear Paulinus. Now,
God, the first 3 youths to be at the studio will be employed. Look at.
Case closed. Case closed. Yes. Final bus stop.
It's finished.
We are wasting time.
Let's go and get ready. Don't tell anybody, please. Don't tell anybody.
We need to be there in fact, we need to be there by 6 o'clock tomorrow.
Let's go and get ready.
Let's go and get ready now.
Bend down for him, put a little smile here.
Mazudoka.
What about that flyer I gave to you?
We'll finish distributing it. Share them all.
That's good.
This is good news. Yes. Imagine employment for first 3 youths that were 10. It's a good one, though.
It's good news, of course. See, let me tell you, I will make sure I'm there before cockroach. Yes.
Okay, you want to be there before cockroach?
Yes.
Me, I want to sleep there. See, that first position, I must be there first before any other person. See, Oga Udoka, give us more flyers. We want to help you and distribute it for everybody.
Yes. That's very good of you. The professor will be very, very happy.
We are happy.
Take it easy. No use one. Take it easy. You know,
it's okay now. It's okay. It's okay. Just give me only this one.
Let me
just give me this one. It's okay.
Mazudoka, please. Could you please help us talk to her?
We want her to help us.
Yes.
Please.
Just that.
Yes.
You don't have problem. But just write your name here. Write your names here. I will talk to her on your behalf.
Sure. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mazi. Tobichuku. Ukiubu. Yes. Ukiubu.
Let me write my own.
Hi.
So in case you don't see it well, my name is Obina. Obina Chigozie.
That's good.
Hi.
That's my name, sir. Thank you.
You don't have problem. I'll talk to her.
All right, sir.
Thank you very much.
God bless you, sir.
God bless you, sir.
All right, sir.
Bye.
Hey.
This is good news. Good one. I will make sure I'm there before the cockroach guy. In fact, before okay, I'm there.
Let's see who will get there before each other.
Paulinus, it worked like magic. The people were happy that professor want to open the second studio. Do you know most important part of it? That part that said about employment.
Thank you very much. You have done your job very well. I will reward you at the end.
Thank you. But I'm still worried about one thing. You know that girl is very smart. And she must definitely hear about this. So how do you want to handle that part?
Udoka, there will be no professor in the day of the ceremony in the whole land of Umuoku. Of course, I've hired an expert who is going to stand in her name that day. It will be said that she had traveled far away to acquire more equipment for the studio.
Hey. So what will happen to her?
Take this for your drink. I think I have answered your question. Good day.
So, he doesn't want to answer the second question. I'm sure this man don't want to put me into trouble. I can't be watch out.
Your Majesty, Igwe Nkizi, I really do appreciate this honor.
You see, my professor, you deserve more than this. My people are proud of you.
Thank you.
Especially the empowerment program that you have planned for the youth. My councils and I are planning a deserving award for you by the end of this year.
This is big, my king. I feel so elated to hear this. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, my prince.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
Well, I'm sorry I have not been opportune to meet with you after the incident that happened there the last time you were here.
It's not a problem. I shouldn't be the reason you'll be having issues with your girl. It's all in the past now.
No. She's not my girl. She used to be, but not anymore. We've gone our separate ways.
Why?
Why? Because she's not my kind of woman. Right? So I need a woman that will respect me for who I am and not for what I am. She has no iota of respect for me and the royal home. Is that the kind of woman you want for me? Well, Echezona, I do not want you to think I am crazy or I am stupid if I say this. You are my kind of woman. The woman that makes my heart beat. I am always happy anytime I am around you. Goodness, you have the purest of hearts. And I say to you, if you permit me, Please be my queen.
The prince wants to marry the professor. That sounds strange. I mean, you...
AJ, I am not joking. Just say yes to me and I will walk to my father.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
I got here, I met that girl with Prince Odona. You needed to see the way they were so close. The affection in their eyes. You need to see the way the prince was holding her. How soon, Cindy? How soon? I can't wait to get that girl out of my life. I can't just wait, please.
Anita, what the hell are you doing here?
Ow!
What?
Nice one, Prince Odona. You were waiting for me to step out so that you can bring her in. You think I did not see the way you both were holding each other so close, so tight? No, deny it that you have nothing to do with her.
Anita, it is over between us and you are no longer welcome here.
You cannot call it a quit. A proposed union is between my late father and your father. You have no right to dish me out because of that rat.
Hey! Listen to me. The betrothal agreement between your late father and my father died when your father died. Now pick everything that belongs to you in this house and leave my presence immediately.
You lied. I said you lied. Newsflash. Let me rewind your brain back. The agreement is still binding on us. You will marry me, or I will do something that you will regret for the rest of your life. It's not a threat. It is a promise.
Echezona, why did you have to live like that? I told you it is over between us.
But she came back. She's back to you?
But it's late now. It is. I already told my father about you.
What did you tell him? Eh?
I told him about my proposal to you.
You should have waited. I haven't even responded to you. Yes, you should have waited for my answer before rushing to go and tell your father.
What are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is that I need time to think about your proposal.
Are you rejecting my proposal?
I need some time to think about it. Maybe next week I'll give you a response.
Next week? Why next week? Why not now?
Because Echezona thinks before she acts.
My king, I am sorry for everything I have done. Please forgive me. Help me talk to your son. I love him so much, and if he leaves me, I would die. Please, talk to him for me, please.
But my son said you threatened him. Is it true?
Yes, it is true, my king. I say that out of anger. Please, I am so sorry, my king. I promise it will never happen again, please. I promise to be a good wife to your son. Please, my king, have mercy. Help me and talk to him, please.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Just get up, get up. Get up.
Are you going to talk to him?
I said I will talk to him, but I don't want such attitude towards my son again.
No. Okay, my king. I promise it will never repeat itself again, please.
It's alright. It's all.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
So tell me, have you accepted to be my wife?
Yes, I've accepted to be your wife.
Yes! Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, I love you.
I love you too.
You've made me the happiest man on earth. I am happy. Anita! Why did you kill her? Father, please. There is no need debating over this spilled milk. It is over between the both of us. I cannot be her husband, and she cannot be my wife.
Son, you see, I will urge you to give her one more chance. Might surprise you to see another different Anita.
Father, another different Anita you will see is pretense. Father, please, I have never disobeyed you for one day. But in this one, I differ. We are not meant for each other, and she knows it.
My prince, we are meant to be together. We are meant for each other. Please. I'm so sorry for my past attitude. Forgive me. I promise to turn a new leaf from now on. Please forgive me, please. I love you so much. I can't do without you.
Father, please, do not be deceived by this girl or her tears. They are crocodile tears. What you see here is pretense, nothing more. Now, go inside and pick everything that belongs to you and go out of this palace and my life. I need to start afresh. Father, please, I beg to leave.
Please, my prince, please, I'm so sorry. My king.
Calm down, calm down. Just give him some time so that his anger will subdue, okay?
Thank you, my prince. Your Majesty, please.
Just calm down.
Please help me and talk to him. I love your son so much.
She has not returned. What will be keeping her by this time of the day?
Her phones are now switched off.
I will have to go and look for her. Let me go to her studio and find exactly what is keeping her.
Will she still be there?
But at least let me try. Let me see. Let me make a move.
Papa, please, if you are going to our studio, I'm coming with you.
I have to go.
Mommy, I'm coming with you.
I have to go. It's getting too late.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
My prince, when I got to her studio last night, everywhere was open. I saw a plate of leftover food. From every indication, someone must have taken her out of that place, or maybe some group of persons.
Oh yes, her phone has been switched off since yesterday. I can't even reach her.
Yes, you're very correct.
All right, I've heard what you said. Okay, I will do everything within my powers to see that I bring her safe to you.
Oh, please, thank you very much.
It's all right.
I'll be glad to see her.
Okay,
thank you very much.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
Where is Echezona? Where is she? Anita, I am talking to you. Where is Echezona?
Baby, I am lost. I don't understand what you're saying.
You shouldn't be lost. You shouldn't be lost. Echezona disappeared from her studio yesterday, and I know that you know about it. Where did you keep her?
Babe, are you accusing me?
Yes, I am accusing you. Where did you keep her? You know about it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I saw what is the matter. What's the problem? Let her talk. Let her talk. Leave her before you kill her. What's your problem? What's your problem? Father, she made good of her threat. She told me she was going to deal with Echezona, and suddenly Echezona disappeared from her studio. Since yesterday until now, I can't find her. Is that why you want to kill her? Listen to me. You better tell Father the truth. By the time I go in there and come out, you're not saying anything. I'm going to kill you with my bare hands. Excuse me.
I said to God, I don't know what he is talking about. Please believe me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Paulinus, do you know that nothing has been heard about her whereabouts? It was even alleged that she was kidnapped in her studio. By who? That is what I am here to ask you, because I can remember that you said something.
I did not say anything. I have no hand in her sudden disappearance, in case you are suspecting me.
And who did?
Your grandfather should be thinking of what we have at stake rather than asking me useless questions.
Paulinus, let me tell you, nobody is going to attend that ceremony. Since Professor is missing, let me tell you, the whole village is mourning. It was even said that the Igwe has declared state of emergency on all the bushes and uncompleted building in this village. Even the security is everywhere searching for her.
Hi! Whoever that did this have spoiled all my plans. Hi!
Are you telling me that you have no hand?
Will you stop asking me silly questions and allow me to think?
I'm sorry. Let me go home and think too. Let me go home and think.
Who did this? Who was there when I was planning? Who was this soul that was there when I was planning how to succeed? And this person is putting stud on all my plans. It will never be well with that person.
She fears nothing. She fears.
Anita, please pick your call. Pick your call. Oh.
Why are you not picking that call?
Why is she not taking my calls? Ah, babe, you have to pick my calls, please. We need to talk, please. Pick your call. Oh.
Can I have that phone?
Why? Why did you start treating me like this? I said I don't want to pick the call.
Are you trying to act? Hello? Oh, really? Alright, I'll be done. Thank you.
Who just called him? And where is he going to? I think I should find out why Cindy was calling. Hello, Cindy. Yes. He was here but just went out. What is it? What? Oh my God. Okay. I'm coming right away. Oh.
Who are those people? Who sends them?
I can't tell. They were not having conversations in my presence.
So, how did you escape?
It was miraculous. God alone saved my life. May his name be praised. They all left me. I don't know where they were. They were having conversation or something. I don't know. Something distracted them. They left. When I noticed that the rope on my hands were not all that tight, I had to loosen them, untie my leg, and run for my life.
Hi! God, I thank you for saving my daughter's life.
Huh? We must track those boys immediately.
And
I want to know who sends them.
You think they'll be there waiting for me to come and arrest them? They must have gone a long time ago, but you don't have to worry yourself. Whoever that sent them must pay for it. They have touched the lion's tail. I will make sure I fish that person out. And when that happens, the person will pay and regret this action for the rest of his or her life.
They did not touch you.
I'm fine.
I'm good. Where's Papa?
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
Cindy, I am angry. I am angry right now. Why would those guys mess things up? I thought you said you're professionals. So what happened? Honestly, they are. I don't know. Something went wrong. Let me tell you. I hope we are safe. Because if the police track them down, we are doomed. Oh, stop.
Nothing like that will happen. They are professionals.
Same thing you said before. Yes, same thing you said before. What next? Because I cannot just give up like that.
Anita,
it's not possible.
Anita, calm down. Calm down. See, I have another plan. This time around, she's not going to escape it.
So, what is the plan?
Echezona, you are aware of a flyer making rounds everywhere that the professor is opening a studio. Another one called Studio 2.
My sister told me about it, but I don't understand.
I think someone is trying to impersonate you.
Someone just woke up one early morning and decided to create flyers with my name and pictures?
The question now is, who?
Wait. Are you sure this is not the same person behind my kidnap?
It might be on one hand, and on the other hand, it might not.
It's sounding weird. Is there something you know that I don't?
See, Echezona, your life is at stake right now. I'm telling you, you need to be very, very careful. I will go first. You go and freshen up. Alright?
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
Right. I want you to do something for me.
Okay, my prince.
It is a task, but I will reward you handsomely. But you must be very, very careful.
Yes, my prince.
I want you to put an eye on my fiancée, Anita. Follow her. Put an eye on her in and out of this palace. Anywhere she goes to, follow her. But please, be very, very careful. Do not allow her to see you. Am I clear?
Yes, my prince. Yes, my prince.
Good. Where is she?
She left after you.
Alright. Take this money. This is for your upkeep.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you, my prince.
Remember what I said?
Yes, my prince.
It is a task. You must carry it out efficiently, but make sure she does not see you.
Yes, my prince.
Go back to your duty post.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing. No one knows the mind of the girls. We can only say what we'll feel. The enemy is far.
Where are you coming from? I'm asking you, where are you coming from?
Did you tell me where you were going to when you left here? No. So why are you asking me?
Hey, I have every right to know where you are coming from. It is a predestined right for me. How dare you dictate how I carry such rights?
And I also have the right to know where you went to. Please, do not disturb me. Tell me where you went to and I will tell you where I am coming from. Cindy, can you imagine? He was asking me where did I go to. Trust me, I changed it for him.
Huh. Anita, you need to be very, very careful. See, he's still suspecting you.
Do I care?
You need to be careful.
Please.
You should be careful. If you wouldn't care, then I have to quit.
Cindy, how can you say you quit?
Yes, because I don't want to get myself into trouble.
You are not getting into any trouble. Please, make the callers go.
My dear, see, I am a very simple person, especially when it comes to this kind of a deal. I'm a very careful person.
Okay. Madam Cindy, please, I'm begging you. Nothing will happen to you. Can you make the call?
Anita, I know why I am saying this. Okay, I'll make the call.
It's not you talking.
Hello? Yeah. Please, where are you? Yes, I want to see you.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
Paulinus, now that Professor is back, is the opening ceremony still going to hold?
The opening ceremony is not going to hold because whoever that planned to kidnap the professor have spoiled the level of my plan. I don't want to stand as a scapegoat or suffer for what I did not do. Yes.
How?
Because whoever that have done that dealt with me, the professor must have heard that someone wants to open Studio 2, and whoever that is planning to open that Studio 2 has a hand in her kidnap.
You are right. So what are we going to do next?
I have another plan.
Which is?
I will send for you when the time is right.
He doesn't want to tell me his new plan. Okay? I will not come if he calls me.
Nice one. Send me the video right now. Make sure no one sees you. Okay. He followed them to the uncompleted building.
Why are they trailing her? Are you suspecting she has a hand in my kidnap?
Oh yes. That girl is crazy, I must tell you. Oh, the video is here. Look at. Imagine the person that calls herself my fiancée going to an uncompleted building. What is she doing there?
What are you going to do now?
I will go home and show my father this video. My guys will stick around to monitor further movements around the building. So tell me, are you coming with me?
My mom. Hello, Mama? Okay, I'm coming. I'm not. She just called me. She said I should come back home.
Alright. I'll see you later.
Hello, Cindy, what is it? Is that why you called me by this time of the night? Hold on. I could not do the transfer because as of when I came back, he was already back. Please, I will do it for you. Fine. I am going to send the money to your account so that you withdraw it and send to them. Okay, I promise to send it by 8 a.m. But please, let there be no mistake this time around. If not, they are going to pay me back all the money I have spent. No one is at sleep, deep at sleep. I will talk to you tomorrow, okay? Good night. Please don't call me back again. I don't want to distract your sleep. Okay? Bye.
His name is Mr. Paulino. Arrest him!
What is the meaning of this? So this girl who calls herself professor came to your office and advised you to come to arrest me? You agreed. She claimed my name. I allowed her. And now she have called you, my friends, to arrest me. Even you. And you agreed. It's not a problem.
Officer, please do your
You will see me in court.
Police. You have to follow it down to the station right now. Whatever explanation you want to do it there.
Mr. Man, let's go. No problem. I know the law. But who will know who will arrest who when we get to the police station? Look at this little child have the effrontery to call Polinos, aka Polybombastic Police.
Thank God, oh. Thank God I got this information on time. Who knows what Polinos did that they arrested him? I'm running out of this village before the police start looking for him.
We can only say what will be.
As I was saying, those people have dangerous plans. Do you know that as soon as I got the information about their plan, I alerted Obinna. Immediately we alerted 2 more other persons. And we waited for them at Mr. Osadebe's house. Yes.
Did you tell the professor about it?
Of course, yes. I told them about the plan. Yes. Even though the professor was not at home as at that time. But as soon as the mother called her on the phone, she returned back immediately. And guess what? It was the prince that brought her back. Yes.
So Mr. Paulinus actually wanted to burn down a whole family because of jealousy.
Hey!
This is wickedness. This is wickedness, honestly.
That man is wicked. He's so wicked. Obitarayamiri, he's wicked.
My dear, Wicked is an understatement. That man is evil. Evil! Let's continue going where we were going before.
So this was the plan he didn't want me to know. Eh? Chai. Thank God though. Thank God I was not part of the plan. I have to leave this village until everything calms down.
Mention your price, please. Shut up! I can give you money. Please, please. Move. Officer, please. Officer, please. Officer, please mention your price.
I'll give you money.
I'll give you 20 million.
Hey, move.
I can give you 2 million. 5 million. 5 million.
No. I can't give your money.
Officer, please. Officer, please.
Move. Don't worry. All is well. Move.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
Officer, arrest her.
Young lady, you are under arrest for the offense of kidnapping, attempted murder, and other related criminal offenses. For your own good, I will advise you remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Operative, move her.
No,
Very heartless. Wicked girl. You are going to pay dearly for your evil. Officer, take her away.
Because I spoken deep where because I spoken deep where she's the chosen one. She's the chosen one. She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
Well, now the wind is over. Let's talk about us.
What about us?
1 minute. Echezona, you are the perfect description of the kind of woman that I want for myself. Here you are in your glory, and I want to make you my queen. Permit me to pop out this question. Will you marry me? Please don't say no. Yes! Oh, yes! Oh, come here. I love you so much. Oh, Father.
Congratulations, my son.
Thank you.
I'm happy that this is happening before me. Come, my children, for blessing.
Thank you.
May the gods of our land bless and protect this union.
He said,
I bless this union, male and female children.
He said,
If I broke up, I'm